Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about TP-Link Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 gaming router. So friend, TP-Link has announced the gaming connectivity with revolutionary Archer BE19000 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 gaming router. So friend, this router is designed for gaming enthusiasts in the Archer GE800 set to stage for new era of gaming performance with jaw-dropping tri-band speed up to 19 Gbps and 210 Gbps port and game acceleration feature that redefine gaming experience. And the Archer GE800 is ultimate choice for power players seeking to elevate their gaming experience with revolutionary Wi-Fi 7 technology and with advanced capabilities like reduced latency and enhanced stability. Wi-Fi 7 create a superior gaming environment for a more responsive and immersive experience and offering Wi-Fi speed up to 19 Gbps cross tri-band and 12 streams and support by dual 10 Gbps and quad 2.5 Gbps wired port. Every device receives unparalleled bandwidth and stay impressive in intense battle with advanced acceleration for gaming device, application, and game server. And this tech work together to stabilize connections, minimize lag, and unlock blazing fast speed through a WTFast Gamers Private Network (GPN). And gamers can unlock additional insight and conquer the competition with a powerful game panel that display network status, router performance, RGB setting, accelerate game, and gear in real time at a glance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.